What's up guys, Thomas here at Parts Rc-Xtreme down at the gravel pit. Gonna run this beast today, the all new Losi 8ight-XTE. I wanna do a huge shout out to my bashing brother Eric, known as RC81. Thank you for the last shout out, brother. I'm gonna put a link in the description for his latest video where he also running the new car and putting it beyond the limits. I'm gonna see what I can do here. It's all new plateau here, smoothing out. Did some serious nasty jump outs, so not with this one but with the other one, so stay tuned. See what we can do. Yeah. Well, I think we could hear. No. It's the gear mesh. You know, 15 is on the edge to be small. And this is a 2200 kV 6S, so it's running on the edge, to be honest. Woohoo! Few straights as an arrow. Running an ultralight setup, 3300 3S pack. I think I need to check my tires. Everything is bone stock. Oh, this. Need to put it back on. I could see a little twist, a little bend on the. You could hear it in the massive. There is not much. Yeah, looks good. I know Eric, Rc-Xtreme, the one is running alu top plate and the front chassis base. What I know, since he's running a lot of ramps, you know, the car is compressing. It's all about flexing this car for grip. So it's bending the rear center shaft, but I know he's running the Mojave front, I think. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. So far so good. This is a little bit of a bend and I'm going to fix it later. So thanks for watching and bye.